Here it is again, everybody. One World Trade Center. A nearly completed Freedom Tower. There's Tower 4 with it also. Again, nearly completed. The sun has moved now, so it's safer for me to film here. You don't have to worry about burning out the lens. There's the top piece of the antenna. Just installed this morning. Again, I'm sorry if it's a little shaky, but that is it. Now the tallest building in the United States and the Western Hemisphere, One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. We just made a slight adjustment to the camera to let in a little more light. I'm shooting in manual mode instead of the intelligent auto mode, so I have adjusted the iris to let more light in. This tower, well, towers rather, look extremely sharp and will definitely stand out when complete. They already stand out, but when they're complete, these will be amazing to look at. And they're already amazing to look at. There it is again, everybody. Just installed this morning. The tower stands at 1,776 feet in height. Just an amazing tower. Alright, I have moved to the other side just to take my usual shot of everything. The Verrazano Narrows. There's Lady Liberty. Ellis Island. You can even see the Liberty Science Center down there. This is Jersey City. Newport. Hoboken, West New York, and Weehawken, New Jersey. And we are, of course, back to 1 and 4 World Trade Center. So again, overall, significant progress has been done, especially today with the top of the antenna spire being attached to 1 World Trade Center. So basically, from here on out, it's going to be internal work. When soon as the glass is completed, internal wiring, HVAC, air conditioning, heat, water systems, interior walls, office walls, rooms, mechanical equipment. It's going to be all internal from here on out, basically. Another thing that I've noticed with the antenna spire are the amount of staircases that are up there right now. There are temporary staircases and there are permanent staircases. See, now, the ones that you see here, like you see right there with the yellow posts and the blue posts. Sorry, let me hold this steadier. The stairs with the yellow posts, and the blue posts are temporary staircases for the construction. However, the permanent staircases are the ones with the metal bars right there. Those are permanent staircases. Like right there is a temporary under a permanent. Those are kept there for maintenance and other work just to maintain the antenna spire. When complete, of course. And all that temporary stuff will be brought down. The communications rings are nearly done. First, second, and third ring. The HVAC vents need to be installed, as there's plywood up there right now. But other than that, it's pretty much done externally. Tower 4, the same goes for Tower 4 in terms of internal work. Only that small gap needs to be filled. So take a good look at it, everybody. This will be the new World Trade Center. I again have opened the iris a little bit on the camera to allow a little more light to come in. I want your feedback, everybody. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about the towers and the progress. Also, which ones are your favorites? There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Of course, they're not all here yet, but I'm just saying, you know, just general opinion. Which ones are your favorite? Me personally, of course, it's 1 World Trade Center is my favorite out of all of them, and 3 World Trade Center will be my second favorite. After that, it will be Tower 2 and Tower 4. All right, everybody. I'm not done yet. I'm now going to take you over the bridge to Brooklyn Bridge Park. We've had a major milestone today for this tower. It's time to get the Brooklyn perspective. Just going to bring you one more close look at the communications rings and the antenna spire. Alright, it's time to go over the Manhattan Bridge now. See you there. Before I take you over the bridge, I'm just going to bring you a look from Vesey Street and Broadway. 1 World Trade Center. So here is 1 World Trade Center. Let's continue over the bridge. I'm on the Manhattan Bridge. I'm still on the Manhattan side, but here's just another look of One World Trade Center, Freedom Tower. Look at that antenna. You guys remember when only that small base piece was sitting up there? Well, look at it now. The antenna spire is complete. Just an amazing looking building. I'm going to continue further across. I'm a little further up on the Manhattan Bridge. Here again is the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. Hold on, let me find a... Check it out. There's Tower 4 with it also. Again, Tower 4 from the back right here, it looks complete. This is how it's going to look basically. Tower 4 World Trade Center is complete from this angle. Here is One World Trade Center with the full antenna spire. We can also see the communications rings there. First, second, and third ring. You see it? It's right there. It looks like a disc. That's the antenna. Full 42 times optical zoom right here. Sorry about the shaking. Sorry about that. Gotta stabilize. I gotta learn to stabilize better. But yep, there is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Let's continue further across the bridge.